Investing in a short-term rental property can be a lucrative venture, but choosing the right property is crucial to ensure its success. With the rise in popularity of platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, and Booking.com, it's essential to consider certain criteria when selecting a property for short-term rental purposes. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 key criteria you should consider when buying a successful short-term rental property. 1. Location, location, location. One of the most critical factors when buying a short-term rental property is its location. Consider the following aspects. A. Proximity to attractions. Look for properties near popular tourist attractions, business districts, universities, or convention centers. Properties in prime locations tend to attract more guests, resulting in higher occupancy rates and rental income. B. Accessibility and transportation. Evaluate the property's proximity to airports, train stations, and public transportation. Guests prefer properties with convenient access to transportation options, making it easier for them to explore the area. C. Neighborhood safety. Ensure the neighborhood is safe and desirable for guests. Research local crime rates and check if the area has a positive reputation among travelers. 2. Demand and seasonality. Understanding the demand and seasonality of your chosen location is crucial for maximizing your short-term rental's income potential. Consider the following factors. A. Tourism and business activities. Analyze the local tourism industry, events, conferences, and trade shows that attract visitors to the area. Properties located in destinations with year-round demand have the potential for consistent bookings. B. Seasonal variations. Research the seasonality of the location. Some areas experience peak seasons during specific times of the year, while others maintain a relatively stable demand throughout the year. Consider how seasonality may affect occupancy rates and pricing strategies. 3. Property type and features. Choosing the right property type and features can greatly impact the success of your short-term rental. Consider the following. A. Size and layout. Opt for properties with multiple bedrooms and bathrooms, as they attract families or groups of travelers. A well-designed layout that maximizes space and privacy can enhance guest satisfaction. B. Amenities. Assess the property's amenities such as a fully equipped kitchen, Wi-Fi, parking, laundry facilities, and outdoor spaces. Offering desirable amenities can set your property apart from competitors and increase its appeal. C. Maintenance and upkeep. Ensure the property is in good condition and requires minimal ongoing maintenance. Regular upkeep and cleanliness are crucial for positive guest experiences and reviews. 4. Local regulations and legal considerations. Compliance with local regulations and legal considerations is vital to avoid legal issues and penalties. Take the following steps. A. Zoning and licensing. Understand local zoning regulations to determine if short-term rentals are permitted in the area. Research the licensing requirements and any restrictions imposed by local authorities. B. Homeowner association rules. If the property is part of an HOA, review their regulations regarding short-term rentals. Some HOAs may have restrictions or specific guidelines for hosting. C. Tax obligations. Familiarize yourself with the tax obligations associated with short-term rentals in your area. This may include occupancy taxes, sales taxes, or other local taxes that you need to collect and remit. 5. Financial considerations. Lastly, analyze the financial aspects of purchasing a short-term rental property. A. Purchase price and financing. Evaluate the property's purchase price, associated costs, like closing costs, inspections, and your financing options. Consider whether the property's potential rental income justifies the investment. B. Cash flow analysis. Perform a thorough cash flow analysis, including projected rental income, operating expenses, e.g., mortgage, insurance. By considering these top 5 key criteria, you can increase your chances of buying a successful short-term rental property that generates consistent income and positive guest reviews. Remember, careful planning and research are essential to make a well-informed investment decision in the dynamic and competitive short-term rental market. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.